Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play PlateUp solo. To succeed, you must master efficiency and planning. Your kitchen layout is crucial for minimizing movement and maximizing output. Focus on creating a streamlined workflow from ingredient prep to serving customers. Prioritize upgrades that automate tasks and speed up cooking, allowing you to manage multiple stations effectively. This strategic approach will help you conquer even the busiest of days. Starting with a compact kitchen is key to solo success. Position your prep stations directly beside ingredient cabinets and cooking appliances to reduce travel time. Imagine a triangle between your ingredients, prep, and cook stations for optimal flow. Always ensure a clear, unobstructed path for serving customers and quickly moving dirty dishes to the sink. An organized space saves precious seconds, especially when the restaurant gets busy. Automation is your best friend in solo play. Invest in conveyor belts to automatically move ingredients or cooked food, saving you countless steps. A dishwasher is a game changer, freeing up your hands from manual scrubbing. Prioritize upgrading your cooking appliances, like ovens or hobs, to significantly reduce preparation times. These strategic purchases allow you to handle more customers and complex orders with greater ease, boosting your overall efficiency. For long-term success, always plan ahead for future expansions and menu changes. Consider how new dishes will integrate into your existing layout. Don't forget to utilize blueprint desks. They allow you to re-roll upgrade options, helping you find the perfect tools for your strategy. Crucially, manage customer patience by serving quickly and efficiently. Losing too many customers can end your run, so keep them happy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.